병원에 갔습니다. Again, 병원에 갔습니다. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 병원에. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about 병원. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 367. 병원. 병원. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is 병, second syllable is won. Pronounce it with me. 병원. 병원. The word 병원 means hospital. Again, 병원 is the Korean term for hospital. How do we write 병원 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable 병, we need to draw first a beep character, followed by the yo character, followed by an eong character. Next, for the second syllable won, we need to draw first a ph or placeholder eong, followed by an u character, followed by an o character, followed by a neon character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these two syllables to form the hangul of the word 병원. To know more about our word for today, let's look at this example. It says, I went to the hospital. Again, I went to the hospital. The Korean translation of that is 병원에 갔습니다. Again, 병원에 갔습니다. Let's look into the details of this Korean translation. So, 병원에 means at the hospital. So, 병원 is our word for today and it means hospital. And when we add 에 to a certain place, it would mean that a certain action is done at that place. So, 병원에 means at the hospital. And 갔습니다 means I went. So, when we say 병원에 갔습니다, it means I went to the hospital. So, looking back at this, which just flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 병원에 갔습니다 is I went to the hospital. And with that, you've just learned 병원. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 357 to 366. But don't forget our word for today, word number 367, 병원, which means hospital. The first word for our review is word number 366. It's 똑같은, which means same. Next word is 피, which means blood. Next word is 반말, which means informal speech. Next word is 미치다, which means to go crazy. Next word is 강아지, which means puppy. Next word is 무지개, which means rainbow. Next word is 기분, which means feeling or mood. Next word is 가장, which means most. Next word is 소원, which means wish. And the last word for our review is word number 356. It's 말해, which means say it or tell me. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.